Hello, my name is Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Today we'll be discussing how to fix a toilet paper holder.
One of the biggest problems with toilet paper holders is the screw pulls out, and it doesn't do you any good. This could be a result of someone applying pressure to it and pulling the screw out, or having too short of a screw in there. To fix this, you're going to need a couple tools. A screwdriver. I prefer the adjustable screwdriver. That way you have your Phillips and flathead on the same tool. Some wall anchors to place in the hole, because when you put your screw into it, it expands the backside, creating a pressure against the wall. That pressure actually locks it in place and gives it some pretty good durability. First thing you want to do is remove the broken toilet paper holder. Take your wall anchor and place them into the hole. Now, take the end of your screwdriver and give it a good tap, making sure that it's firmly against the wall. Now take the other side of the toilet paper holder, place your screw through it, and line the screw up with your wall anchor. Finger tighten so that way it doesn't fall off. Take your screwdriver and tighten it back up to the wall. Now you want to leave it just a little bit loose, that way you have room to line up the bottom screw. Put your toilet paper back on, and you're ready to go.
I'm Josh with Lighty Contractors, and that's how you fix a toilet paper holder.